Hello my wonderful people. So I want to make oat milk. So since I'll be washing my weight, like I'm a bit fat now, I don't really like it that much. So I want to make oat milk because I won't be taking the normal regular milk. So this is the oat I'm using to take our oats. You can see what I want to use. So vanilla extracts, then honey. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for the oat milk.
I'll just wash the oats like this, then sieve out the water, then I'll blend it.
So I finished sieving it. This is how it looks like. So I will add my honey to taste. I want it to be very sweet, I beg. I want it to be very sweet. It's not something I've tasted before. Since I cannot get almond milk, because almond milk is good for somebody that wants to lose weight. But since I cannot get almond, I'll get oat milk. So I'm adding the vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is for flavor. Just the cover of it. In place of the vanilla, you can add cinnamon if you don't want to add the vanilla extract. You can add cinnamon. So this is the final outcome of the oat milk. I can't wait to try it on pap and see how it tastes. If it tastes nice, I'm going to be doing